Cabin in the Woods by K+S Architects in Karuizawa, Japan. The site is surrounded by forests at the foot of the magnificent Mt.Asama. Looking for a place to enjoy the vitality of nature, we decided to design a small villa in this rich forest. The site is in the shape of a rhombus and is connected to a gravel road on one side. The diagonal axis of the shorthand is approximately southward, forming a mortar-shaped slope surrounding the site. There was a light shining in the middle of it, and we decided to set up floors with different levels of space, tracing the terrain from there. As a result, we thought that we could design a place that corresponds to the surrounding natural environment at each level. The lower level connected to the garden is designed as a terrace, and table and bench are furnished there. By combining the slope of the ground and the slope of the roof, the ceiling height on the forest side is raised, so that the high trees can be looked up. In the evening, the cool breeze from the upper forest makes it a comfortable place in summer. The intermediate level is a spacious inner room with no restrictions on use and flexibility. An inner bench provided along the wall is arranged so as to face the bench on the terrace. As a result, a small space is transformed into a large living space, and the precious stage for communication is born here. The hall is covered with eaves to block out the harsh summer sun, and at the same time, you can see a garden wrapped in green leaves in front of you. From the minimal bed space connected to the high-leveled hall, a quiet forest tree jumps into the eyes through the windows. Bathrooms and toilets requiring privacy are arranged at the same level so that the fittings can be completely opened, and the rooms and forest are integrated. There is a small bench on the bathroom balcony, so we can enjoy reading books while looking at the forest overflowing with nature. We tried to make as little modification to the ecology and land of the forest as possible. According to the planning, only one tree had to be cut, but instead a large mountain cherry tree is planted.